Hi, it's Emilio, Immobiliser Fit, and today we've secured this Audi RS Q8 with another Starline Pro Immobiliser. So this protects it obviously against relay attack, key cloning and so on. So if someone obviously copied this key or stole this key, hopped in, tried to start the vehicle up, it will start up, but as soon as they go to select a gear and drive away, you see the car just switches off. So for the customer to drive this in their day-to-day, the procedure can either be using a push sequence using some factory buttons that we've set, or by pairing up their phone with a Bluetooth adjustable range. So we haven't paired the customer's phone up, so we'll just show you the buttons. So the normal day-to-day procedure is start the vehicle up, pop the code in, we've set. We hear our disarm tone, and now we can drive the vehicle away. If the customer wants to change the code, the process for that is first disarm the system. As it's been within 10 seconds from the last disarm, it's automatically disarmed. We got our tone. Now we press any button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll cycle the ignition off and on. We'll get 5 bleeps. There we go. So now it's ready to learn the new code. So what we'll do, we'll change it to we'll wait for a confirmation on that and we'll repeat the code again. That was 1, 2, 1, 2, I believe. We should get the same confirmation if that's correct. There we go, 2 bleeps. Now we can turn the vehicle off. That's the new code learned. So during the pairing process, the customer can make it anything between 3 and 21 presses in any combination of their choosing, and then obviously they just have to repeat that code again. We've just kept it simple for the video. So now it's been 10 seconds. We'll start the vehicle up, pop our new code in, get our disarm tone, and now we can drive the vehicle away. If the customer wants to take this for a service, and obviously wants the immobiliser turned off so Audi can service it and it will act and behave like a normal car, easiest way to do that is hop into the app, press and hold on the green circle till it goes yellow, release, get your 2 bleeps. If you don't have your phone, you can do it like this. So ignition on and disarm the system. So we'll put our disarm code in, get our tone. Now press any button 11 times. We'll cycle the ignition, we'll get our valet mode double bleep. There we go. So now this is a normal car. So if you took it back to Audi and they needed to service it or drive it about, it would act to behave as a normal car. It wouldn't stall on selection of gear, and they'd be none the wiser that there's a immobiliser on there. Obviously when you get it back, you'll obviously want it protected again, and to do that and turn it back on, ignition on, pop your code in, we'll get our valet mode 2 bleeps. There we go, and this vehicle's protected again. So if you'd like to secure your vehicle, this is an Audi RS Q8. We've installed the Starline Pro Immobiliser on this vehicle. And if you'd like to get one fitted, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit, and our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.